To share a CloudExtend template, first save the template as an Excel template or workbook. Now share the file to the end user via email, OneDrive, etc. Once the end user opens the file, they will need to log into CloudExtend Excel for Salesforce. The template is currently part of the workbook, but it is not saved to their list of templates. To save the shared CloudExtend template, the end user will first need to create any data filter. Note, we will come back to this filter and remove it later. However, it is a necessary step in order to save the template. Once the filter is applied, hit Save. Next, go to the menu icon and click on Templates. Find the template you are working with and click the pencil icon. Once the fields load, click Next. Here, you can change the name accordingly. Once complete, hit the Save button on the bottom of the toolbar. Now, we will remove that random filter that we previously created. Go to your Templates page and run the template you just saved. From here, you will edit the filter and completely remove it. Click on Edit Filter and hit the X box. Now hit Save. Now you have the template that was shared with you saved to your CloudExtend Excel for Salesforce list of templates.